How to set up direct deposit on Wells Fargo. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be discussing about how to set up direct deposit on Wells Fargo. So first thing what you want to do is just head over to your Wells Fargo application or your online version and simply log into your account. So there are actually three easy steps for you to follow along. So first step, use their pre-filled form. You can just tap on sign on as I previously mentioned to create your customized direct deposit guide. You can also actually download a blank direct deposit or automatic payment setup guide PDF and fill in the information yourself if you would like. And on the step 2, just provide the information on the completed form to company or agency that pays you as they may be required. And on step 3, you just have to monitor your account as it may be one or two-way pay or benefit periods before direct deposit goes into effect. So signing up for alert will notify signing up for automatic alerts will notify you when a direct deposit is available in your account. So you just have to choose how you want to receive alerts, or email, text message, or push notifications to your phone. So just remember that you can always change your preference anytime that you would like. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.